Children, I hope all of you are fit and fine. Today we are going to do a lesson. Yoga is up to date. Children, you know that in today's time we have a lot of information technology close to us. And to keep a balance between this information technology that is available to us and to make the best of use of it and to also not waste our time on these things but use our time wisely is an important thing in today's time. We are going to do a story. Here, Yug, a boy, is in touch with a lot of information technology around him. He has TV, he has access to books, internet, and mobile phones. And you know that in today's time, a person who uses all this is said to be up to date. So Yug is up to date. Yug is a boy of 10 years of age and his father owns a bookshop at the city railway station. And that is why Yug has the privilege of reading a number of books, newspapers, and magazines, which his father brings for him. Besides that, Yug also likes to listen to the radio. In the morning, his father switches on the radio to hear to the morning news, and he listens to the radio. He listens to the news, and his father tells him that this way he can enrich his knowledge as well as he can learn to pronounce certain words correctly that he sometimes mispronounces. He also sees television, but he does not waste his time listening to news related to crime, etc., but he listens to the news and grasps the knowledge of words and how the news readers are qualified and well trained to put questions to the audience and to others. So he learns questioning, he learns pronunciation. He also likes to read the newspaper and he knows how to read his favorite columns in the newspaper. Yu's father has told him that he should keep a balance between all this. He should not waste his time either on television, seeing things which are not useful to him, or other things on the radio, but he should use his time wisely, use these technologies available to him to enhance his knowledge, to enhance his vocabulary, and to update himself about what is happening in the nation and also internationally. So Yu's father brings to him a number of periodicals, magazines, science and competition books so that he can keep himself aware of national and international developments. Yu's father says reading, besides other than school books, makes you a more knowledgeable person. Yug stands first in the competition and exams and quizzes that is given to him because Yug is up to date. So children, be up to date always. Thank you.